Well, it's 12 days before Christmas, and I'm sitting out front of Burnaby Village Museum where I'm going to go and take on the role of Father Christmas. And I've been thinking about doing this for years, and I always forget by the time we're past 12 days, but I'm going to do it this year. So I want to do my own 12 days of Christmas, and it starts with this. On the first day of Christmas, Creator gave to me my human divinity. So what is my human divinity? It's this light inside of us all. Every single one of us has it. And it is a piece of the Great One. And it shines the brightest at Christmas. So have a beautiful day. Merry Christmas.